Alright, man, it's all you. Woo! My nigga, where'd you get that car?
From the shop.
Alright, that's only logical.
I told you, that's probably why I looks different. Shit, dude, I'm fucking filming.
I don't think that's an off-road car, sir.
Oh, fuck.
Yeah, but anything's possible when you're high on crack, man. Just ask Doodle Bob.
Oh, that was fucking sick.
Yeah!
Holy shit.
That's what's up, Alex!
I thought I was gonna crash and die.
But you did it! Can I get a fuck yeah?
Fuck yeah!
Fuck yeah!